Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike is an impressive piece of engineering designed for those seeking both performance and practicality in their daily commutes or weekend adventures. One standout feature is its 1800W peak motor, delivering remarkable power that can tackle steep hills and rugged terrains with ease. This motor doesn't just boost speed, it provides a level of acceleration that many riders will appreciate, especially in urban environments where quick maneuverability is key. The bike's design is equally noteworthy. A robust aluminum alloy frame ensures durability while keeping the weight manageable. This balance is crucial for an electric bike, allowing for efficient handling without sacrificing sturdiness. The bike is equipped with a 48V12.8Ah lithium battery, which is removable for convenient charging. Riders can expect a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for longer rides or commutes without the constant worry of recharging. Comfort is also a strong suit of the Aipas M1 Pro. The saddle is padded and adjustable, providing a pleasant riding experience over varying distances. Additionally, the front suspension absorbs shocks effectively, which is a blessing when navigating bumpy roads or trails. The bike features a 7-speed transmission system that allows for smooth gear shifts, aiding in maintaining optimal speeds on different terrains. Safety features have not been overlooked. The bike comes equipped with a dual braking system that includes disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power in various conditions. The LED headlight and taillight enhance visibility during night rides, adding an extra layer of security. In terms of aesthetics, the Aipas M1 Pro has a modern and sleek design, available in multiple colors, making it appealing to a broad range of riders. Overall, this electric bike strikes a fantastic balance between performance, comfort, and style, making it a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their riding experience.